So guys, I'm going to continue on this. I am going to be cutting a little piece to keep this pattern going. I have this pattern, you can see how they're all staggered at 50%. So to keep that pattern going, right here I got my laser, my Bosch laser. You can use a ruler if you don't have a laser. You can put a ruler across both lengths to get the measurement you need. I just happen to have it and it works good. So I line it up on the crack and it's going to be staggered every other one. So I need a piece that's from here. This gives me a little bit of space, like 1/8 of an inch over here, which is going to be filled with grout. But I need a piece that's 4 3/4 to keep this pattern going. 4 3/4. Just a little snap cutter, which I did the whole house, this snap cutter. On here that we had to cut, but it's actually a little bit too big. We're going to cut this little piece off. What just so happened that I got lucky on this one. It was flush on the other side. It was flush on this side. So as you can see, I had very little room, and I walked the tile all the way down the wall, and it's perfect. It just fits perfect. So this is our last run. We're gonna finish up here. We're gonna clean this room up and prep it for grout. So that'll be the next step. Last piece, guys, and then we're done for the day.